Nonstick cookware has become a household essential for everyday cooking. Starting from your breakfast with blueberry pancakes to dinner with carbonara pasta and asparagus, the use of nonstick cookware is evident in every home. But have you ever wondered if these cookwares are safe or not? Let us discuss its safety concerns in detail with adequate information. Non-stick pans are coated with a synthetic chemical, which is most commonly known as Teflon. It is made of carbon and fluorine atoms. It was first invented in the 1930s with non-stick, non-reactive, and smooth surface features. Teflon-coated cookware is highly convenient to use and easy to clean. It only needs a small amount of oil or butter to cook with, making it a healthy way to cook food. However, it should be noted that Teflon has been perfluorooctanoic acid (PFOA) free since 2013. Before that time, controversy was centered on this harmful chemical's presence in Teflon. According to experts, when non-stick pans are overheated, the non-stick coating might start to break down in molecules. Some toxic particles and gases might also be released. Since the breakdown begins at temperature above 500 degrees Fahrenheit, it is advisable that the Teflon-coated pans should be heated below 500 degrees Fahrenheit for safety assurance. For using non-stick cookware safely, you can strictly keep some safety guidelines in mind, which have been proven to be effective by trusted experts. By doing so, you won't be deprived of the convenience that comes with using these helpful kitchen tools. Here are some helpful guidelines and tips you can follow to use non-stick cookware safely. Let's start with the guidelines. Never cook on high heat. The first and foremost thing to keep in mind while using non-stick pans is to never cook on high heat. Simply set your burner to low and medium before you start cooking. Don't preheat empty pans. Be it lightweight or heavyweight, never preheat your pans when they're empty. Always preheat with oil while you constantly check it. Make sure your kitchen is well ventilated. When you're cooking on non-stick pans, make sure you turn on the exhaust fans so that fumes can immediately clear away. Proper ventilation makes cooking safe. Avoid searing or broiling red meat. As it's commonly known that red meat takes longer to cook in high heat, it's advisable that you don't use non-stick pans for these, especially when you want to broil or sear them, which requires a temperature higher than 600 degrees Fahrenheit. And now, let's move on to the tips. Never store food on the pans. As non-stick pans are not food storing vessels, you should not use them for storing, especially when the ingredients have acidic contents like lemon or tomatoes that can harm the coating. Grease the pans. Even if labels claim that you can cook food with no grease on your non-stick pans, you should always put a little oil or butter to cook smoothly. However, you should avoid cooking sprays as they contain harsh additives. Hand wash pans before using. Before using newly bought non-stick pans, you should hand wash them with mild soap and warm water at first. Next, completely dry them with a kitchen towel before using. Use safe and compatible utensils. You should never use metal spoons or non-stick pans as they can easily chip the pans. Using heat-resistant plastic, wooden, or silicone spoons and spatulas will help you use the pans safely. Clean your non-stick pans with scratch-proof scouring pads. Instead of using harsh ingredients, you should always use mild liquid soaps to clean the pans with scratch-proof scouring pads that say non-stick pan safe on the label. Store non-stick pans with care. Instead of stacking the pans together after cleaning and drying, store them with paper napkins between them so that one pan's non-stick coating won't scratch another pan's coating. Overall, we can say that the modern-age non-stick pans are completely safe to use by simply abiding by some specific instructions carefully to ensure safety. That being said, we're now at the end of the video. Hope you loved it and subscribe if you liked it. In the comment section, let us know if you find any of these tips helpful. Stay tuned if you want to see more videos like this.